is my bicycle. It is a Marin 4 Corners 2. I've changed quite a few things. I got it last summer and it's been great. It's really dirty right now because it's been winter. Yeah. Wolf tooth. 38 tooth. Oval. I got ortlieb bags because I work in the outdoor industry, and through the expert boys get a lot of good discounts. Tubeless Surly extraterrestrial 29 by 2.5, which is quite a bit larger than what is recommended. Custom head badge, crust, towel rack with something stem, party pace. Old Man Mountain raft with ortlieb quick release wolf bags. What else? Little egg. Selle anatomica cheap saddle. No cut out, but I actually cut my own hole. Quick rack. Yeah, skateboard. There's skate parks over there. That's from the World Fair. This is a cool tree. I'm in Flushing Meadows Park. It's a really beautiful day. Feels like springtime. Sram brakes. Just put this twine on here. It's kind of shitty, so I'll have to redo that. Oh yeah, wolf tooth seat clamp, but probably not the right size because I had to put some spacers in there. Not spacers, I don't know. But made it work. I also wanted to mention the MKS pedals and the rivendell extenders. Just put that on recently.